Video I'm going to show you how to change your logo, WordPress logo manually without uploading it to your dashboard or without using any WordPress customized dashboard. We have to use the file manager in order to upload your WordPress logo for your branding image. So before we get into the topic, so we have to create our logo which is the equal size of the existing image. Go back to your site, download this image, and look into the dimensions by getting into the properties. It is 360 by 138. That means 360 is the width, 138 is the height, which is exactly equal to our estimation. Let's create one more file now. Custom dimensions 360 by 138. Create new design. I'm closing the previous dialog box. So this is going to be my template. I'm selecting one of the existing templates which suits to my blog design. So this looks pretty nice since developer uses laptop most of the cases. So I'm using the background image as it is and giving my title. So this title gives me a kind of a coding feeling, like I'm inserting some code inside the demo. So open parenthesis and close parenthesis with a hashtag and a star. So these are some characters I usually use, or we usually use during the coding part. So let's try to increase some font size if possible, since this is our actual title of the demo or the blog. All right, I think this gives some good look. Let me download this first. So to download, just click on this button and always select PNG format for a logo. You can always opt in for a premium kind of thing with Canva. This is really a very interesting feature, very powerful online tool to create any type of web design. So I just downloaded it. Let me check with my design. Uh, this is really cool. There are no watermarks at all, and I'm ready to download. I'm ready to upload this and use it as my branding thing. So what I'm going to do is just rename this with the title logo, and I'm getting into my file manager. So this is my file manager. You will get any kind of public HTML file from the Triplo website anyhow. So I think I have to log in into my cPanel again. So I'm clicking on the details part. I'm getting into the manage website part. So this is how you can enter into the cPanel anyways. So this is redirecting you to the file manager. So this is the actual file manager of your WordPress website. Let's get into this folder, WP content, and go to your theme section. And this is your theme, Frontier. So go to images, This is the actual image of the default logo of the existing theme. What I'm going to do is just upload the file which we have created just now. Let's get into the so this is the logo which we have already created, and I'm going to upload this. So it got uploaded successfully. Let's check with the preview. All right, so what I did is I just replaced the existing file with my logo, with my new logo here. So inside the themes, let's refresh it once again. All right, this is how we can change the logo of an existing WordPress theme. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to configure your mandate plugins and what are the mandate plugins to be used by a blog beginner. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.